You ever wondered if a radar laser system could be integrated seamlessly into your exotic vehicle? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the concealed radar laser system we finished on this McLaren 675LT. Here is the Radenso radar and AL priority laser jammers, which is a universal system that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle we work on. Starting with the front of the vehicle, the setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We fabricated housings for the 3 laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. The center housing integrated the jammer above the camera, and it used the factory mounting points. The front radar detector will alert you of police officers ahead. The radar receiver could not be mounted behind the carbon fiber bumper without interfering with the performance. We mounted it in the side bin and created a cover for both sides to blend it into the bumper. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear bumper to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. The Radenso display controller was molded into a fabricated overhead panel that looks like the factory panel. All the wires get wrapped in factory matching tape and routed next to the factory wires. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket behind a panel in the passenger footwell, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. We also designed vehicle-specific skid plates that protect your bumper without drilling any holes so you can drive worry-free. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from Automods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.